multiple cleaning increases the service life of your laser slats before having to replace the slats. For use on most manufacturers such as Bystronic, Trumpf, Amada, Mitsubishi, Mazak and more, both Koto and fiber type laser machines. We focus on laser slat cleaner and optimize our design continuously, and we have our own unique shape, internal structure, executing units and other design. All of these have achieved successful cleaning results in particular applications. We manufacture our laser slat cleaner with most strict standard. Breakers are most our trust, powered by Sandvik Coromant. Real power is the experience. Hattech.